Hi, I'm Andrea Burgos, Real Estate Advisor with Moskito Real Estate, and I hope that today you're ready to see this incredible opportunity in La Veleta, Tulum.
There are 3 reasons why you cannot miss Condo Ananas, Tulum. The first reason is the location. This condo is located on one of the main roads in La Veleta, an area that has seen rapid growth over the last few years, with beautiful new projects being built close to restaurants, and it's just 1.5 kilometers from Kukulkan Avenue, the newly opened second access to the beach. The second reason is the size. A 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom condo with more than 100 square meters of space. Each bedroom has a private bathroom with a half bath for guests in the living area. The kitchen has an open layout connected to the living space, and the layout of the apartment allows for ample natural light. The third reason, and an important one, is this condo is priced below market. It's a new project that was just delivered and is ready for you to make it your home. Take advantage of the capital gain from investing now in one of the best areas in Tulum.
If you would like to know more about this property, please contact us directly and we will be happy to help. Hope to see you soon.